God, I come before you with a heavy heart. My spirit is broken, and my soul is weary. The weight of sadness is unbearable, and I am lost in the pain that I cannot carry on my own. But, Lord, I know that you are close to the brokenhearted, and in this moment, I reach out to you, asking for your healing touch. You see every tear, you know every sorrow, and you understand the depth of my pain. You are the God who heals the brokenhearted and binds up our wounds. Right now, I place my broken heart in your hands. Heal the wounds that no one else can see, and restore what has been shattered. When I feel like the world is closing in and the pain is too much to bear, I trust in your promises. You are the God who makes all things new. You are the healer of hearts, and you can turn my mourning into joy. You can bring peace to the chaos and calm to the storm in my heart. I surrender all my grief to you. The disappointments, the hurt, the betrayal. You know it all. God, I ask for your comfort. Wrap me in your love. Help me to feel your presence in every moment of pain. Let your peace flood my soul and remind me that I am not alone in my suffering. Lord, heal the broken parts of me. Restore my joy. Renew my strength, and help me walk through this pain with your grace. Even when I feel lost, I trust that you are guiding me, that you have a plan for me, and that you are working behind the scenes to bring me to a place of healing. I know that this pain does not define me, and though it feels overwhelming right now, I will rise again. I will not be crushed by sadness, because you are my strength. You are my hope. You are my healing. I ask you to remove the darkness that surrounds me and fill me with your light.